Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, I've been to the Dollar Tree. So I picked up a few items. I haven't been there in forever and I just had so much fun walking around and looking. So let me show you just some of the things I got. Some of them have probably been around forever, but I just have some ideas that I wanted to do. It's getting into crafting season, it's getting into fall, and I cannot wait. I got one of these removable tile decals. I will be using that for an upcoming project. This cute little mug here, it is glass. They had them in clear and one other color I forget, but maybe it was purple. But look at how cute that is. So got some ideas for that little guy. This I know they've had around forever, but I needed a new one, and it's perfect for organizing my smaller stickers. I got some cute little socks. Oh my gosh, super adorable. Some more socks with pumpkins on them. It is getting into, it's already started football season, so I had to pick one of these up. Of course, I always change out my football decor each year. This is what I went for, just this. By the way, you can get these batteries to change your Apple AirTags. So I needed to do that for my doggo and my keys, because if I lose them, my Apple AirTags won't work because the battery is dead. Now, this is the first time I've seen this little guy, and I think he is adorable. So I grabbed him. We'll see what we can do. I also picked up this welcome sign. Now, you guys, look at that. It was busted. And I asked him for a discount on it. She said she'd have to call the manager. I'm like, don't worry about it. There was already a line, so yeah, I was gonna DIY it anyways. What else did I grab? Oh, because we're getting into fall. Look at this cute pumpkin. It did come on a stick, but oh, I'll be taking that off for sure and using it. Isn't that cute? All right. And then, of course, some flowers. I have to tell you, the flowers were like this. Just like this. And then there was one little guy missing here. And then this little guy was laying on the floor. So I just stuck it right on there. I don't know if it goes together, if you guys have seen it like that, but it's really cute. And there we go. And then finally, I know it's not a big haul, but I am a little limited on funds right now. So I did get this, and it's for organizing. And if you want to see how I use this to organize, let me know. So not very long at all, but I had so much fun being back at the Dollar Tree, and I don't know how long. It had to have been at least 2 months for sure, if not 4 to 6 months. But I hope to get back there more and more, and I hope to see you guys more. I'm going to be doing some fall crafts, so if you are not currently subscribed, make sure you do, and please give me a big thumbs up. I appreciate your support, and I will be talking to you soon. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.